Hammer is cocked. Safety is off. You're going to put pressure on the back side here as you pull the slide back, because when you get it in the right place, that's going to pop up. Just work it around and you can see that move up. Put the slide off. This is under a lot of tension, be careful. I painted the end of my spring because it does make a difference which end goes here or here. So I painted the end to remind me this goes on the guide rod. Take your dowel, insert it as far as you can. Keep some tension back on this end. Done. Same thing. Now here, you want to push this down just enough so it clears. If you push it down too far, apparently you're going to have a problem. Drop this in and then pull the slide back. And when you get to the right spot, it'll fall in. Function check. Accidentally put the safety on sometime during that. Done.